In this video, we are going to learn about unique key. Okay, this is the second index that we are learning. The first index that we learned was primary key. Okay, so now let's understand unique key in detail. So in the previous video, we just created this table. Okay, I will just show you, and this is the query. I will just show you the query that we passed. Okay, okay, so now what I will do is I will just drop this table, okay, and we will recreate it. I will just say drop table student. Okay, let's drop it and let's recreate it. Okay, so the table has been deleted and now let's recreate it. Create table student. Now let's say first let's keep the column as name. Now let's keep it varchar. Now we cannot keep it as a primary key. We already know the reason. Now even I cannot keep this as unique as well. Now unique means all the values in that column must be unique. This is what we need to follow. Now it can hold null values. Okay, that is okay. But there is one rule that it says that all the values must be unique. So let's say if I just make a column as unique, then I will have to enter each and every value that so each and every value that I insert in that column must be unique, but it can hold null values. Okay, that is okay with unique index. In primary key it cannot hold null values, as well as the values must be unique, but unique keys work differently. Okay, it just says that all the values must be unique, that's all. I will hold null values, that is fine, but all the values must be unique. And one more thing, I can assign this unique index to as many columns as I want, but that is not the case with primary key. Primary key, we can assign primary key to only one column. Okay, but that is not the case with unique index. We can assign unique index to as many columns as we want. So this is the difference between primary key and a unique key. Usually students do get confused, but no need to get confused. Just understand that primary key accepts unique values, as well as it won't accept null values, but unique key will accept the unique values. Okay, all the values must be unique, but it will accept the null values. Primary key can be assigned to only one column, whereas unique key can be assigned to as many columns as I want. So let's say now I will second column, let's keep it age. Now it cannot be primary key, even it cannot be unique key, as many students will have same age, right? So I cannot keep it unique. Third, let's say roll number. Now roll number can be unique, I can keep it unique, but instead of keeping it unique, I will keep it primary key. Okay, because it is the best option. So let's keep it primary key. Now here I will just say email. I will just say email varchar. Let's keep it 50. Now already I have assigned a primary key to a column. Now I cannot assign it to any other column. Okay, we can assign it only to one column. So in this case, I can go for unique key, because see, we all know that email of each and every one of us is unique. Okay, two people cannot have a same email ID. Okay, it is not possible. So in this situation, we don't have the option of primary key. So here we can go for unique. So I will just say unique here, like this. Means it will take all the values, means all the values that it takes must be unique. Okay, but it will hold null values. Okay, it can hold null values, because see, it might happen that some students may not have an email ID. So in such a situation, it will accept the null value. Okay, but the values must be unique. Okay, let's say if I keep mobile number as another field, so in this case, even mobile number can be unique, right? Because two people cannot have same mobile number. So in this case, I will keep it as unique. Why we keep it that is because let's say if someone tries to enter the same mobile number with two different, let's say, I'm doing this, let's say if I run I run a EdTech company. Okay, EdTech company basically provides educational courses to students. So let's say two people come for the registration on my website. Now if they insert same mobile number, then I should give them an error, right? Because I cannot. So if I don't keep this unique, that means it will accept the mobile number of the two students even if the mobile number is same. Okay, but if I keep it unique, it will give an error that two numbers means two, it cannot accept same mobile number, right? The values must be unique, right? So to prevent that, we make use of these indexes. Okay, so like this. So here I have two columns which are unique and one column which is primary key. So I will just execute this. Okay, so the table has been created and now I will just show you the structure. Okay, I will just go to the structure of this table so that we can see all the constraints that we have implemented. Okay, so here you can see the golden key represents the primary key and the silver keys represent the unique keys. Okay, see here we can see we have three keys. The first is the key name is primary. Okay, and the values means they all will hold the unique values. Okay, so basically the golden key will represent the primary key and this silver key will represent the unique key. So you can have as many unique keys as you want in a table, but primary key can be only one. Okay, you cannot keep two columns as a primary key in one table. It is not possible. Okay, so this is the whole concept of unique keys, and you can even fetch data either using primary key or using a unique key, but usually we prefer using primary key because it does not hold unique values. Okay, so primary key is powerful than unique key. That is what you need to keep in mind. Okay, so this is all for today's video, and in the next video we are going to cover normal keys.